Hi all. I'm going to show you how to do question number 5 and then again go over number 6. Um, so here's the question. In the cross below, what are the allele combinations for the two parents? So I have two parents, the plant parents here, A and B. I know as A is non-purple and B is purple. The other thing that I notice is that 100% of the offspring are purple. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to go through and do this one. You're going to do this on your board, but it's easier for me to show here. So I'm going to do the different Punnett squares that could happen from this. So the first thing I notice is that plant A is non-purple, and that's an advantage to me because non-purple can only have one genotype. It has to be little a, little a. So on your board, you would put little a on a Punnett square. Plant B, however, is purple, and I know that there are two possible genotypes for purple plant. It could be big A, or it could be big A, little a. So because I have two possibilities, I need two Punnett squares. So I'm going to do, so here I have my two Punnett squares. One has little a, or they both have little a because that's the non-purple parent. Then over here, I'm going to put the purple parent. So one of the parents could, or one possibility that it could be big A. The other possibility is that it could be big A, little a. So I'm going to fill in the big A's first, moving them across. And then I'm going to move the little a's down. And then I'm going to move the big A across. I'm going to move this little a across. And I'm going to move the little a's down. Okay, so this one, all of the offspring, 100%. I'm going to do highlight instead. A 100% of the offspring will be purple because they all have a big A. In this one, two of them would be purple, and two of them would be non-purple. So I look back at my offspring, and in this example, 100% of the plants are purple. So I know that the parent had to be big A. It couldn't be big A, little a, because then we would expect 50% of the offspring to be non-purple. So I'm going to type that in. Parent A is little a. I know this because a non-purple plant has to be little a. And I'll add more. If it had a big A, then it would be purple. Plant B is big A. I know this because if it was big A, little a, then we would have gotten 50% was little a. Okay, so that's how you do these. You don't have to add the Punnett squares on your document. Just do it on a whiteboard. Try number 6, and then I'll go over number 6 as well.